This video is for the busy woman who does not have time or the energy to wash your hair, let alone style your hair. This is you. This is the video for you because right now I am just exhausted. I'm tired. I have no energy. I'm barely going to make it through the shower and wash my hair. But I wanted to look nice for tomorrow. I have somewhere I have to go. I just don't have the energy to style my hair. I have long hair and I either have to straighten it or leave it curly or I have to do something with it. I mean, I could definitely pull it back, but when we take the time to style our hair, we just look a little more put together. So I want to take the time to look a little more put together. So if you have a few minutes, spend it with me and I'll show you a little technique that I use when I just don't have the energy to style my hair, but I wanted to look halfway decent. So I'm not sure if you've heard of heatless curls before. All the teenagers are doing it. It's super cool. But what I use is an item I got from Amazon. Okay, so I just got out of the shower. I shampooed and conditioned my hair. The lighting in here seems to be getting worse. I'm not sure if it is. It's getting dark out, so I've lost all my light coming through the window. But shampooed, conditioned, put my handy dandy leave-in conditioner in. I use this every single time I style my hair. Brush that I always use. I use it in the shower to detangle my hair. I also use it after I put the leave-in conditioner in. It is the Tangle Teaser Pro. I got it off Amazon and love this brush. I'm going to use this. This is what I use when I straighten my hair. But that's what I'm going to put in my hair right now. And then I'm going to rough dry it and use my brush again. Serum. And I don't know, it just does wonders for my hair. Makes it look shiny and not frizzy when I'm straightening it. I'm just going to rough dry this real quick. So hair is almost dry, pretty much dry. It's just a little damp, but that's what I want. So now I'm going to show you the process that I use. Not the prettiest when I go to bed, but I don't care because I'm going to wake up looking pretty, so it don't matter. Okay. I'm going to separate my hair into two sections. I'm putting this right in the middle and I'm clipping it. Okay. I'm assuming it's straight. It doesn't matter. I don't care because I'm tired and I want to go to bed and it just doesn't matter. It will work out. It will all work out. So now I'm going to take a section of hair and bring it around. I'm going to take another section of hair, and you don't have to be particular and perfect. Just grab it, and you'll learn. You'll learn. You'll learn if it's too small of pieces that you're grabbing, and your hair is extra curly, and you don't like it, you'll learn to grab bigger, thicker pieces. I grab medium pieces, but I haven't done this in a while. I can't remember what I used to do. So I'm just going with the flow here. I grab medium size. Grab another piece. Add it to this piece. Wrap it around. Doesn't have to be perfect because that's how you learn. Wrap it around. Okay, this is the last section I can feel on this side, so I'm just going to add it. Wrap it around. And then keep wrapping it around. And you're going to have all this. So, I just take my scrunchie. I'm sure there's many different ways you can do it, but this is how I do it. This is just what I do. And see, this little piece came out, so I just tuck it up in here. Hard to talk to the camera when I'm looking at the camera, so I'm sorry. So this is wrapped up. So now let's do this side. So I want to bring it back this way. Sorry. Okay, so bring it back and around. You're going away from your face. Grabbing another section, wrap it around. Grab another section, add to that hair, wrap it around. Grab another section. All right, we're gonna look gorgeous in the morning. Should do another video in the morning because my hair will be done. All right, I can feel this is the last section. I'm just gonna wrap it around and put my scrunchie in. Oh, it's already on my arm. This is out, but I'm just gonna bring it up here so it secures it. So I don't know if you can see this. I mean, I'm pretty secured. Looking pretty good, if I must say so myself. This is it. This is what you do. You're gonna look gorgeous in the morning. So you slap on some facial cream and get ready for bed. Take your contacts out. Your face should already be washed because you don't want to wash it now. Okay, so I have one last step before I go to bed, and that is to use a bonnet. That's what I use. I put my hair in a bonnet and it doesn't move around. It doesn't slip out. It just stays in the bonnet. So I'm going to put the bonnet on. So this is what I look like. Do I look like a chef? Is that what I look like? I don't know. I look like a mushroom. Anyways, I took a hair tie and I brought them together in the back, put the hair tie up there, and then put everything up in this bonnet. This is what it looks like. I'm going to go to bed and I'm going to sleep really well tonight and get lots of sleep. I'm exhausted. And when I wake up, I will show you what it looks like. Good morning. It's time to look beautiful. So I am going to probably be a little more quiet. My family's still sleeping, but I wanted to quickly take this off and show you the results of being a little lazy. It's not horribly uncomfortable to sleep in. There is, I mean, it's thick, so you just kind of have to adjust yourself, but I get used to it. But I always wear a bonnet when I do my hair with the heatless curls. So let's take a peek. I think my bangs got a little wet when I washed my hair and was doing my makeup. So let's check it out. Okay. Okay. See what happens. Oh, it's done. Do you love it? Okay, let's try to make the magic happen. Some people brush their curls out. I don't do that. I do finger comb, but I don't use a brush or comb. I mean, look at that. Oh. This is some big hair. But I think and this will settle down. Give it a little bit to settle down, but come on. I could go out of the house like this. I'm ready to go. Let's go. Where do you want to go? It looks a little frizzy in the camera, but in my mirror it doesn't. I could put a little oil in my hair, but let's go. I could pin it back. You know? Could have all this going on in a nice ponytail. I think this is just a great thing to have when you're crunched for time. You could even do your sections a little bit bigger so they're not as curly on the end, but I like it. I like curls. And I'm ready to go. Let's go. Where do you want to go? All right. Well, that's my heatless curls. All right. I'm ready for my day. I'll see you. Thanks for watching.